Hi, and welcome to Jetting. This is the presentation of the Jetting MJet V0, a fiber to the home machine that's operated by battery. It's a very lightweight machine. It's a machine that's very fast to configure, and for configuration you need no tools. The kit includes this robust suitcase, which you also use during the operation of the machine. Of course, the machine is included, and you have your two 4-amp-hour batteries. One is fitted on the machine, the other one is here, and then you have your charger for charging the batteries. You got your blue box, which you can fill up with your cable seals. Also included is this drive wheel. It's a metal drive wheel dressed with rubber O-rings for cables up to 3 millimeters. And from 3 millimeters and up to 4.5 millimeters, you use this included drive wheel, which is a metal grooved drive wheel. And now for the configuration. You determine the configuration from what cable size you have. Outer diameter is very important, but also the outer diameter of the ducts. So, in this case we have a 1.8 fiber. You put your cable guides in this track. You place your cable between the wheels and inside this cable guide. Put the top lid on, fasten it, fill the cable. Now, in order to not having the air going backwards, you have to choose your correct size of cable seal. You put it over the cable. It shall be tight, but not too tight. And now we have to adapt for the duct size. We have a 7mm duct, so we take a duct clamp for 7mm size. This, you take your duct. You want to have a 90-degree clean cut, so you take your Jetting duct cutter. Place the duct over the fiber. You place your cable seal in this groove, which is dedicated for it, and you place your duct like this. Put the top lid on the duct clamp, like this, flush on, tighten to get air tightness. You're ready to go. Now it's time to do some fiber blowing. So you start your machine up by pushing this button. You can see the display is lit up. You immediately enter operational mode. You determine your pushing force by looking at the outside diameter of the cable. That's a rule of thumbs. You enter the menu mode, and default value is always 6 newtons. 6 newtons is too little for this cable that is 1.8. As the rule of thumb says, it's 1 millimeter for every. You enter the pushing force Newton by using the rule of thumb saying 10 newtons is 1 millimeter. This cable being 1.8 pretty much means about 18 newtons. You go back to operational mode. Now you can do your crash tests and see if this is correct or not. But by doing that, you have to put your clamping force between the drive wheel and the measuring wheel correctly, so that the cable will be able to drive, but also being able to slipper like this. And my feeling is that this is good, maybe a bit harder. This is adjustable during your operation. Now when this is ready, you have to connect your air hose. And this is a standard same coupling, same connector. and it's a push fit like this, and we say that you go without air until you need air, and then you make small portions of it as you need to. You will see that on the speed, you can hear it on the motor. Everything is entered, you're ready to go. You push your plus, and the more you push, the faster the machine will get. You can decrease the speed, and you have fiber to the home. Thank you so much. The electronic safety system will stop the drive wheel immediately if the following wheel will stop. That means if cable slippers, machine will not destroy fiber.